Today we're going to be learning about Christmas in Germany. Now, if you take a look at your world map, Germany is on the continent of Europe. And if you look really close, its star is really close to the country of France, which we already traveled to. So we are back in Europe today. So you can see that they have some neat outfits, some beautiful buildings in Germany. Now, in Germany, children like to count down to Christmas using an advent calendar. Usually, these calendars have small flaps containing candies that children can open from December 1st until Christmas morning. So a lot of us actually do advent calendars as well, right? Sometimes you get treats, sometimes you get toys. It depends on what kind of advent calendar you got, but you get to open up one each morning and see what you got. Let me know, do you use an advent calendar at home? Gingerbread houses are also a popular treat in Germany. They like to make gingerbread houses. Now, we learned a few facts, and it sounds like Christmas is pretty similar to what we do in America. So now, make sure you head to the next video so we can do our paper together. And then after that, I want you to take some time to explore our Germany Christmas classroom, our virtual classroom, so you can learn a lot more about Germany and what they do for Christmas.